Home Remedies presents the one way you might not be using your tea bags for. So, this is the solution for a smelly fridge. Does your fridge has an aggressively uninviting aroma? It's very annoying to open your fridge and a nasty smell comes out of it. You can take everything out of your fridge and clean the entire thing from time to time, but that's not always the case. Plus, a smelly fridge isn't necessarily dirty. Perhaps you just have some leftovers that smell like garlic or onion. To mask these kinds of smells, you can use this handy trick with a tea bag. A used tea bag is a vaccine for a fridge whose odor may make you keel over. You don't need to clean out your entire fridge right away. Let's see how to do it. Procedure: take a used tea bag and leave it to dry properly. Keep it on a plate and then place this plate in a central spot in your fridge. If you have a particularly large fridge, you can use multiple tea bags. You will notice that the smell will get absorbed by the tea bag pretty quickly. Tip: do this trick once you clean your fridge and make sure to always keep the culprit of the nasty smell in your fridge in an airtight container. So, how many of you have used your tea bag in this way or will try? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.